Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the new 3ds Max tutorial, the continuation process of the 3ds Max tutorial series. So this is like another tutorial, the latest one. So today I will discuss about something called unit setup, which is very important in the in the 3D modeling perspective. Let's say the unit setup is the measurement of the of the units. So like this one, let's say I'm gonna take a box, apply it with the modifier like this, and then what I'm gonna do is I am gonna use this as a convert it to the editable poly, convert it to editable poly. No, let's say the box, you see the measurement in meter, like here, length, width and height. Let's say I am doing, let's say 1 meter, 1 meter length, 2 meter width and 3 meter height. Let's say 3 meter high. So this is like in the real world, we'll have a 1 meter length, 2 meter width and 3 meter high. Okay, so this object is the measurement is like this. Okay, so in the real world, nothing is without measurement. Everything is in measurement. So as you can see, if we have to do precise 3D modeling, or especially for architectural visualization and all the things, it is a good practice to keep the measurement in your keep the measurement okay. So like, let's say how you're gonna measure this one. You go to the this one. Okay, go for the create and go for the help section, and go for the helpers, and go for the tab. Okay, so tab, and you just click on the snap tool. So I just want to know the length is how much is this from this angle to this angle. So let's say this one to this one, you can see it's 3 meter, 3.0 meter. It's showing 3.0 meter on the side. Okay, and what is the width section? See, it's 2 meter width. Okay, what is the depth? It's 1 meter. So like I give the value, like what was the value? The value was like this, and it's showing the perfectly the thing. Okay, so let's say I want to create a box that is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So just go and put 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so this box is 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Okay, yeah. So now this is in a meter, but you can change the the unit, whatever you like, but especially meter and inches is the most common parameters for using it in the 3D modeling parts. So especially let's say how can we do that? Okay, you go to the customize section, and you go to the unit setup. You see the unit setup here, so go to the unit setup. So as soon as you go to the unit setup, you must go to the system unit setup. You click on that, and you must follow this kind of parameters for perfection. You can see here the 1 unit is equal to inches. Okay, don't need to tweak these lower values, just go for the inches. Here you can find the inches, feet, meters, millimeters, and all the things. Keep it inches like this, and you just click on OK. Okay, then on the display unit scale, you can find the meters and US standard. So in the matrix and the US standard. In the matrix, you can find the meters, millimeters, centimeters. Okay, so just keep on meters. If you have a meters, then keep it meters. And if you want to have your units in decimal inches, so you just click on the radio button, is there US standard. So like if I click on this, and click on, oh, you must keep this on international. Okay, American or international, just go for the international. So US standard, okay, decimal inches, this one, decimal inches, go to this, and you see there is your things are all in inches now. So uh, let's say 12 inches. Okay, 12 inches, let's say 12 inches, and let's say 12 inches. So like this. And the interesting part is, let's say you want to have a height called 6 feet. So how can you do that? Let's say 6 feet. So you just go for type in 6 and found a key for this symbol is the feet symbol, and hit enter. So this will go for 6 feet. This is 6 feet, I mean 72 inches. 72 inches. Okay, so you just go there, 3 feet, like 2.5 feet, 2.5, and you just go for this symbol, this one. You have perfectly 30 inches. Okay, so like 30 inches is like 2.5 feet. Okay, so you just go for the 5.5 feet, 5.5 feet, hit enter. So this is 5.5 feet, I mean the 66.0 inches. Okay, so like that, so 12 is 12. Let's say mm, kind of like a, 24 inches. So like 24, or 36 inches. So 36 inches, you see 3 feet is 36 inches. And another one, I just click on 3 dot, the same value, 36 inches. Okay, this is the let's say 4 dot, so 48 inches. So this is 48 inches, like this. You see, so this is how we can go for meter again. Go for, this one, go for the unit setup. Don't need to tweak this one. You just go for, now it's in the inches, decimal inches. You go for the meter, you click on meter and click OK. That's it. You can find that 1 point, all the values are changed: 0.305 meter, 0.305 meter, and 1.255, 1.219 meter. Okay, so this is very crucial part for, this kind of things. So okay, let's say I have a floor plan, and let's say I need to create a room that is 10 meters width, 10 inch 10 feet width by 20 feet. So how can we do that? Let's say we have a box. Okay, we have a box like this. So we just go for kind of a, we know the height is 10, general height is 10 feet. Okay, 10 feet, the ceiling from the top to bottom is the ceiling, and length is, let's say we got 20 feet, and the width is oh, it's in meter, sorry. You just change the value to custom unit setup. You go for the inches, go for click this one. Okay, yeah, height is let's say 10 feet. Okay, this is like width is 20 feet. Yeah, and length is 10 feet. Okay, something like that. Okay, so you see we can convert it in inches or feet. Okay, let's say the unit setup, custom unit setup. Okay, decimal inches, and then you can find the decimal inches and decimal feet also. Now you see you can convert it also feet. It's up to you. Let's say 1 feet, uh let's say let's say 10 feet by um yeah, kind of like 40 feet by 30 feet. Okay, so this is 10 feet high, 10 feet high, 40 feet width, and 30 feet length. Okay, so this is kind of a hall room, or kind of like a part of a floor plan or something. Okay, it's kind of a big room, or okay, let's say I want to create this 5 feet. Okay, just go for 5 feet. Okay, so remember this one, you see the 5 feet. Okay, then as soon as you convert this unit setup to feet decimal to decimal inches, you go to there and you see 5 feet, 60 inches, 60 inches, I mean, yeah, kind of a 5 feet is 60 inches. Okay, yeah, definitely, because 12 inches, 12 into 5 is 60 inches, so something like that. Okay, so I think you got a good idea on how to do the unit setup. So just a recap, I just want to remember you grab a kind of a object and go to the customize section, go to the unit setup. Don't need to this one inches, and 1 unit is equal to this, so don't need to not to, need to tweak this one. So system setup should be in inches. System unit, okay, system unit setup is in inches, but this one is the your preference metrics or US standard. So like metrics is the meter, and US standard it's you can have kind of all the preferences on the drop down. Okay, don't need to tweak other things, and this one is always remain in international format. So this is the perfect unit setup. So right now the unit is in inches. Okay, so it's very important for architectural visualization and architectural modeling. So some of the countries prefer inches unit, and some of the countries maybe prefer the meters. So as a 3D modeler or 3D artist, you need to follow the specific design, especially when you when you are importing a kind of a floor plan from the CAD. So you need to follow that one. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. So I will come again, and hopefully we'll have a good discussion again. So keep following me and keep practicing. If you have any questions, just uh, you can write it down in the comment section, or you can contact with me personally, text me, no problem. I will be happy to discuss, and hopefully you learn the unit setup in the 3ds Max. Thank you very much.